Today I want to teach you that when you are reading dialogue, it is important to be able to hear what it sounds like when the character talks. The dialogue tags tell you not only who is talking, but they also sometimes help you know how the character sounds. I thought we could play a little game together. What do you think? Here's how it works. I've written a few different lines of dialogue. You will read a line and then I'll choose a tag to add on. That means I'll decide how it should sound. Then you'll have a turn to add a dialogue tag. Let's try one together first. Pause the video so that you can practice reading this sentence. Pay attention to how you are reading it before we add a dialogue tag. Welcome back. I'm going to show you how I would read this sentence. It has a question mark at the end, but there's no dialogue tag, so I'm going to say, "We are going to the beach today." Now what would happen when I add this dialogue tag? You'll want to pause the video again and read this sentence again, knowing that it has a dialogue tag that might change how you read it. The dialogue tag says he whined, so let's read it again, knowing how the character will say it. "We are going to the beach today." Now I've added a different dialogue tag. I want you to pause the video again and read the sentence a third time, but completely differently with a different dialogue tag. We know a different way that we want the character to read this sentence. Now this dialogue tag was a little bit different because it said that the character was in complete shock. That might mean that he's surprised, or excited. So let's see a few ways that we could read this. Are you ready? "We are going to the beach today?" Do you see how that time I read it, I was kind of excited, but in shock? Let me try it a different way. Just because the character's in shock doesn't necessarily have to mean that they're excited about doing it. So let me try again. "We're going to the beach today?" See how I'm kind of in shock, but also maybe not as excited? Readers, did you see how just one line of talking can sound so different depending on how the character is feeling? Dialogue tags help you know how it should sound so your voice matches the characters. Now you're going to go and try it in one of your books.